Impressing people is an art that requires a combination of social skills, charisma, and confidence. Whether you are trying to impress someone for personal or professional reasons, there are several things you can do to make a lasting impression. Here are some tips on how to impress people. Dress to impress. Your appearance plays an important role in how others perceive you. Dressing well can make you feel confident and help you stand out from the crowd. Make sure your clothes fit well, are clean, and match the occasion. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to making a good impression. People are naturally drawn to those who are confident in themselves and their abilities. Practice speaking clearly and maintaining eye contact to exude confidence. Show interest. When conversing with someone, show interest in what they are saying. Ask questions and actively listen to their responses. This shows that you value their opinions and are engaged in the conversation. Be authentic. It's important to be true to yourself when trying to impress someone. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to know more than you actually do. People appreciate authenticity and honesty. Use good manners. Using good manners, like saying please and thank you, can go a long way in leaving a positive impression. Additionally, being polite and courteous towards others demonstrates respect and consideration. Have a positive attitude. A positive attitude is contagious and can leave a lasting impression. Smile often, be enthusiastic, and focus on the good in any situation. People will remember how you made them feel more than what you said. Follow through. If you make a promise or commitment, follow through on it. This demonstrates reliability and trustworthiness, which are highly valued traits. Live loud and proud. Being unashamedly who you are and letting your passions in life shine through is very impressive to people, even when they don't realize it. Everyone wants to live like they don't care what others think, so when they see someone actually doing that, they are impressed. Be humble. A humble nature is actually very impressive to most people. The commonly accepted idea that acting like you're the best gets you treated better doesn't really hold true in practice. People don't like a show-off, and it's likely to earn you more rival than anything else. Be humble about your accomplishments and people will be truly impressed. Respect everyone. Be respectful to your peers and superiors, but most importantly be respectful to people who others might view as below you. A great man once said, "If you want to know what a man's like, take a good look at how he treats his inferiors, not his equals." That said, be kind to the poor, the homeless, your employees, etc. They're more your equals than you might like to admit. In conclusion, impressing people requires a combination of self-confidence, social skills, and genuine interest in others. By following these tips, you can make a positive and lasting impression on anyone you meet. Remember to be yourself, stay confident, and always show respect and consideration towards others.